dedicated to the recently defunct fan division 1895 to 2022, here is my recent acquisition. What you're seeing here is my 42-inch Emerson 1895 series in Chesterfield brown and polished brass. This came from Craigslist free with the help of my friend who got it for me. It is 100% complete with a bit of blemishes on it, but it shouldn't be too bad. So we'll go ahead and show you the fan. It has the Emerson KB55 motor, 4-blade only metal flywheel. Came with like pecan or oak or antique oak stencil blades, reversible to plain antique oak. There's this little tab that lines up with the flywheel. This has some blemishes on the blades. I suspect this fan had been installed in the kitchen or the dining room because I couldn't get all those grease off the blades. But it is what it is for now. The switch cap is not original. I suspect it did have a light kit on at one point, but the light kit was taken off as evident with the blue wire being taped, which was not the way you usually do when you cap off a wire or a light kit you're not using. Top fan, Emerson, Bentonville, South Carolina. I tried to clean the top. I should do more cleaning. Has the Blenderfan style canopy, although it did have some paint on it. I'm going to try to get the paint off. I can't get the downrod off. It's stuck in there, so I'm going to have to find a way to get the downrod off. I haven't got a way to take the motor housing off yet. I only took the faceplate and side fan off for cleaning, so that's gonna be a to-do project later because that housing is stuck shut and I'm gonna have to get it off. So it does work, and I'll go ahead and show you that. Here's the reverse switch. Three-speed arkless pullchain. And yeah, that's really much it. Nothing else to say. It also did come with the mounting bracket. And the blade screws that goes to the motor. So yeah, that's about it with my recent acquisition of the 42-inch Emerson 1895 series in Chesterfield brown and polished brass. My very first Emerson fan and first KB55 motor. And yeah, you don't see me collect Emerson fans that often because oftentimes I collect a lot of Casablancas, which have Emerson K55 motors in there. Well, the Delta 2, the Venuses, the California Zephyr, the Saturn, for example. Not a lot of Emerson fans I collect, sadly, but this is my only Emerson fan at this time. If anyone has a switch cap for this fan, please let me know. This is not the proper switch cap. I really want to get to videoing this fan, and that's sometime in the future. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.